Good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. The fourth and last puzzle is a Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. In Dutch, they call it Cipher Block, in Japanese, Suguru. In additional of today's newspaper on Tuesday, October the 22nd, 2024. And I've already solved three puzzles: the 3 stars, the 4-star Sudoku, and the binary. So it's time now for the Jigsaw Sudoku. Jigsaw Sudoku. This will be number 9473. Yes. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 14 printed digits. 14. It's indicated with 4 stars. For 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more. This is really a 4 stars puzzle. We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. By the way, the hard ones, as always, 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 14. Okay. First question to you. Can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. I see here single box, there single box, always a 1. Let me put the 1 there. Next question. Do we have here dual boxes? Contains the 1 and the 2. No dual boxes in this puzzle. How about triple boxes? No triple boxes. Well, we have here a triple box, contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, these 2 boxes can be a 3, so 1 box number 3 in this triple box should be there. 2 numbers left, 4 numbers 1 and 2, 1 and a 2. And when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, the inside box, is always 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5, well, we have a 5 there, so it can be 5 anymore. This box should be a 4 then. More triple boxes? Nope. About quarter boxes. I see here a quarter box, there a quarter box. Contains the 1, the 2, 3, and the 4. Well, those numbers could be everywhere. Here also. How about here? Also. Well, then the following step. My next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, this shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. We have more of these kind of shapes. Here another one upside down. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1 here. Alright. More. Here another one. This box has the same number as that box. We have more. Let me check. No, only 3 of them. Then the following shape. How about this shape then? Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? No, only 1. Then the following shape, the S or the Z construction. If you rotate this to the right side, you will get the S construction. When you see the S construction, remember. Let me draw this here. That this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. That box has the same number as this box. Okay. You have more of this kind of shape. No, only 1. Then the following shape, I believe the last shape, the shape. Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1 here. Alright. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 4 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. Let me see. Okay. These 2 boxes can be a 3. So 1 box level 3 in this W area shape supposed to be here. These 2 boxes can be a 4. So 1 box level 4 in this area supposed to be here. These 3 boxes surround the 3 can be a 3. So 1 box level 3 in this quarter box supposed to be there. These 2 boxes can be 3. That box can be a 3. So 1 box level 3 in this W area shape supposed to be here. This box can be 4. This box can be 1. So the 1 and 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 is left in this quarter box for number 2. Then let me see. Let me see. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5. Let me mark those. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. It's not helping me, this one. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. It's supposed to be here. Well, this box can be 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. Well. Come on. This is not helping me. 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5. I need a 2 here. Well. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5. No, 5. Well, I cannot believe this is a 5. If I place a 5 here, then these 3 boxes can be a 5. But also that box can be 5. And this box can be a 5. And I need a 5 in this W area shape. So this cannot be a 5 here. This should be a 4 then. And that box should be a 5. 2 and 5, we have 5 now. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 2 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 4 can be 4. So the 4 could be here. Could be there. These 2. Yeah. This box can be 4. So the 4 could be here. Could be there. This box can be a 2, but also that box can be 2. We have a double 2 there. So the only place level 2 in this area is supposed to be here. 2 numbers left for numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5. I think this box should be a 5 because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. We have a 4 in the same area. So 1 digit left should be the 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and a 3. 2 and 3 is connected with that box should be so 2 and a 3. Then well. This box cannot be a 5, but also that box cannot be a 5. You have a double 5 there. So the 5 could be here, could be there then. Not helping me, this one. Yeah. Well, I cannot believe this box should be a 1 because we need a 1 in this area. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 3 boxes. So not the solution place the 1 there. The only place left the 1 should be here. Alright. Then these 2 boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Think. You need to think logical. Okay. So I need a 2 here. I need a 3 here. No, this box can be 5. We have a double 5 there. So the 5 could be here, could be there then. This box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that this box can be a 1. But also those 2 boxes can be 1. We have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here or here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So the only place left for the 1 in this area is supposed to be here then. Now we have a 1 there, so this box can't be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. 2 numbers left, 4 numbers. 3 and 5. 3 and 5. Okay. Then it's a 1, okay. I need a 2 here. Well, this box can be a 3 because we have a double 3 there. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. But also it can be a 5. If I place a 5 here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those 2 boxes. So it's not a solution to place the 5 there. The only place left for 5 should be here then. So 2 numbers left in this W area, save for numbers 2 and the 3. I cannot place the 3 there because we have a double 3 there. So the 3 should be here and the 2 goes there. Alright, 1 and a 2. We have a 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 1 goes there. 4 and a 5. We have a 5 now, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 4 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 5. So 1 box left and 5 in this area. It's supposed to be here. 3 and 5. We have 5 now, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left, 4 numbers 2 and the 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 2 goes there. Okay. Alright. Let me think. Well. Yeah. These 2 boxes can be a 2. Those 2 boxes can be a 2. So 1 box left with a 2 in this W area shape supposed to be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Then let me see. This box can be 5, that box can be 5, and this box can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this W area shape supposed to be there. Alright. Think. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2. We have a double 2 there. Can be 3. We have a double 3 there. Can be 4. Can be 5. Yes, definitely. 1. Think. Well. Come on. 1, 2, 3. 4, 1, 3. Well. This can be 2. Can be 5. I need to think here. Think hard. Not easy at all. 1. Well, this box can be 1. We have a double 1 there. Also, that box can be a 1. So 1 box left with 1 in this W area shape supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this W area shape. 1 was 2 and the 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be in the 4 goes there. 1 and the 4. We have a 4 now, no 4 there. 4 should be here, no 1 goes there. 14 minutes. These 2 boxes can be a 4. So 1 box left with 4 in this W area shape supposed to be there. 2 numbers left in this W area shape. 4 numbers 1 and a 3. 1 and a 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 1 goes there. I think this box should be a 4 because give me 1, give me 2, give me 3, should be 4, give me a 5. Yes, definitely a 4 is connected with that box, should be so 4. This box give me 1, that box give me 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be here is connected with that box. Should be also a 1. 2 numbers left for numbers 2 and the 3. We have 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 2 goes there. This box give me 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. Let me think. These 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. If I place the 1 there, then this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 1, but we already have a 1 here in the same area. So this box can also not be a 1. Only place left with 1 in this S construction should be here. Then let me see. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be a 1. We have a 1 in the same area. Can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3 is connected with that box. Should be also a 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5, 2 and 5. Let me mark those. 2 and 5. This box can be 2. So 2 could be here, could be there. I need a 4. This box can be a 4, so the 4 goes together with the 2 as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area S construction. For number 5 here, this box is connected with that box, so we should 2 and a 4. But we already have a 4 there, so it can't be 4 anymore. This box should be a 2. Is connected with that box, should be also 2. 1 box left in this S construction for number 4. 2 and a 5, we have a 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. We have 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, 3 goes there. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. Okay, we go up. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. We have a 4 in the same area. Can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 1. Mark those 2 boxes early with 1. We have a 1 now. So this can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1. These 3 boxes throughout 1 can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this quadra box supposed to be here. This box can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left, 1 numbers 2 and a 3. Let me mark those. Yeah, let me think. I think this box should be 4 because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. Alright. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 2 and a 3. We have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. 3 goes here. This box can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Now we have a double 2 there. That means that this box can be 2 and more. This box should be a 3. 1 box left in this W area shape for number 2 is connected with that box. Should be so 2. 1 box left in this area for number 3. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this quadra box. Supposed to be here. And I've eliminated here the 4, so the 4 goes there. And I've eliminated here the 2. 2 goes there. Finished in 18 minutes. Well, we solved it again. 4 stars. Nope. 3 stars. Nope. Let me give this a 2 stars. I'm faster than 20 minutes. Otherwise, it will be a 3 stars if I need more than 20 minutes. If I'm faster than 50 minutes, then it will be 1 star. But we solved it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. If you think so, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you guys for watching. See you tomorrow. Have a great and fantastic Tuesday. Until then, bye-bye for now.